Good morning. Today we're going to pick up where we left off on Thursday, which was dealing with cameras. On Thursday we focused mostly on rules of composition, how to compose a shot. Talked about the rule of thirds, having adequate headroom over the shoulder shots, also the 180-degree rule. Today we're going to talk about camera movements and also different camera angles that are used when filming. So these four slides, 36 through 39, show 12 different camera shots that are mostly used in film. We'll go through those really quick. First we have the aerial shot, which is used by drones these days, a high shot from far above to kind of give the landscape of the scene so you can see where the scene is going to take place. We have the establishing shot, which is a wide shot that establishes where the scene will take place, whether it's at a house or at a park. We'll start by establishing where that's going to be. Next we have a close-up shot, which typically involves from shoulders up. Sometimes the top of the head is cut off as well. Excuse me. The close-up shot definitely shows a lot of emotion within the character's face. We have the extreme close-up shot. Typically that's with the eyes. This shot is from the movie Citizen Kane, which is a very, the shot here was very instrumental to the whole film, where he says the word rosebud. But it's used to show deep emotion, and definitely want to be used sparingly because you only need that when you absolutely have to. Medium shot, here we see two characters together. Medium shot usually is from the knees up, sometimes from the waist up, showing interaction between a couple of characters. The dolly zoom shot, this is from the movie Jaws. I just rewatched it last week, and this is a very cool shot where the camera moves in as the zoom is zoomed out, so the character stays the same in the same framing, while the background either moves in or moves out. There's a video that you're going to watch that shows an example of that. Over the shoulder shot we talked about last week. So we have two characters that are in dialogue with each other, where we see the shoulder of the one talking with the other character. We have a low angle shot where the camera is on the ground looking up, giving the characters a sense of dominance, looking down at the character. And then the opposite of that is the high angle shot. So the camera is from above looking down at the character, making the subject seem submissive or inferior. We have a two shot that could be a full body, that could be half body, as you see here. Very similar to our medium shot, just involving two characters. Wide shot or long shot, similar to establishing shot, but maybe a little bit closer up. Then we have a master shot, where we might want to start with our establishing shot, establishing where the scene will take place. And then we move into that location, and then we have a master shot establishing the characters, establishing what's going to happen as we start moving in to medium shots and close-ups and over-the-shoulder shots. So those are 12 of the most commonly used types of shots in filmmaking. So review those. What you're also going to do is watch this video that shows different types of camera movement, how camera movement can help elevate the story based on the movement that's used. So today's assignment is going to be using both of those, the camera shots and camera movement. What you're going to do is, again, take pictures with your phone. I know some of you had some issues uploading it to a Google Doc, so if you are having issues, what you could do is upload some Google images that show the same thing. So the first part is going to be taking pictures or uploading pictures of 6 different camera angles of the 12 shown. Make sure you label them. Some of you last time didn't label the pictures that you took, so make sure you do that. If Google Slides works better for you, you could do that. You don't have to do a Google Doc, but as long as it's on the same document or the same slide presentation. So again, of these 12 different camera angles, you're going to choose 6 of them, take pictures imitating those angles and writing, labeling them so I know, excuse me, so I know that you understand what type of shots those are. The other part of the assignment is watching this video that's on slide number 40. You're going to choose one of those types of camera movements and just write a short paragraph about how that camera movement is used in the movie of your choice. So again, with that dolly zoom shot that I spoke about before, that is shown in the picture here, it is shown in the video here. I'll talk about how that shot is used in the movie Jaws, because that's when the protagonist, Chief Brody, realizes that there is a shark in the water, and you can see the horror on his face as the camera moves in, as the zoom moves out, kind of giving that sense of lost and terror in his face. So submit 6 images that are labeled. Submit a short paragraph talking about a camera movement from a movie that you choose. Put that on one Google Doc, or again, you can use Google Slides and submit that. Again, if there's any questions, let me know. And today I will be finishing up going through your screenplays, sending back feedback, so you can this week we'll also work on our second draft. I think for the rest of this week we'll be doing that, the second draft of your screenplay. We'll do a couple short lessons on lighting and sound, and then next week we'll actually start putting a short film together. So any questions, let me know, and have fun.